Good morning to everyone. And just a very quick halacha for this morning. This will be, I think, our last one in terms of how to kosher the house for Pesach, and then we're going to move to the laws of Leil HaSeder. So today I wanted to talk about two items that we haven't spoken about yet, and that is how to kosher your sink and your countertops, which actually have to be prepared for Pesach. So most sinks today, at least in North America, are stainless steel, and therefore it makes it very easy to kosher them. What you need to do is just clean them very, very well, and then you take boiling water and pour it on the entire surface of the sink, and then the sink is basically kosher. The way that I suggest the boiling water is if you take a kettle that boils water, and you just have an extension cord or something on it, then when it's boiling, you can very quickly, it still has a boil to it for a few seconds, and very quickly you can actually take it and then pour it over the entire sink, and that would kosher it. As far as countertops, there are two different things that you can do, two different methods, either or. The first one is exactly what I just said about sinks, and that is to clean your countertop very, very well using a soap or whatever, and then pouring boiling water on it. If you do that, it's kosher. Or the second possibility is if you don't want to pour boiling water on it, is you can clean it very, very well with soap, and then just cover it. And in this way, you don't have to pour boiling water. Some people do both, but technically speaking, if you do either of the two, you've already covered all the bases, and that would be the way that you kosher these two items, so your sink and your countertop.